Hey guys, welcome to this new series called Reality Barber Training. This is the very first episode of this series, so welcome. In this series, we're going to turn a beginner barber who can barely cut hair into someone that can build a clientele with their skills. Let me tell you guys about my first student, Ian. I've seen this kid grow up, so when he told me he wanted to be a barber, I knew he was someone that would work hard at it. So that's why I chose him to be one of my students. Now let's talk about where he's at in his barber career. So far, he's really good at fading. He's good at curly hair textures. He's got good lineups, sharp lineup, and the other stuff we could really work on. So in the first episode, we're mainly teaching him how to section the top. In this video, you're already gonna see that he's improved cutting the top a lot. You can tell that he's already getting better with his shears, his sectioning, the way he cuts the top. I taught him a system that he can follow for all of his straight hair clients. I also suggested different types of method for his fading to make it more efficient, because Ian's really good at fading. It takes about an hour for his cut and he's not crazy booked yet. So in this series, hopefully we can turn him to a well-rounded barber. And yeah, welcome to the first episode and let's get into it.
Run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Hey guys, now we're gonna break down Ian's haircut. I did a training with him a while ago on how to cut the top, but yeah, he improved a lot on cutting the top already. Now we're gonna break down a whole haircut into different categories. So we got sectioning, aka cutting the top. I've got my notes here. We got fading, we got shaping, because they're both two different things. We got texturizing, we got lineup, we got styling, we got his efficiency, how fast he does it. We got his detailing. Also, we got his customer service skills. Also, we're gonna break down his capturing skills. So that's taking pictures or videos. Okay guys, so this is the haircut. This is the before, and he's gonna be doing a crop top. Okay, first thing we're gonna look at is his sectioning. I'm gonna show you guys the way he was cutting before. So guys, this was Ian about last year around, I'm pretty sure this was around November last year. This was the first time I taught him how to section. So I'm showing him how to do it. Usually I gave him a system where he takes a strip down the middle and then he uses that for both sides to determine the length. So this is him trying it for the first time, trying to get that center strip. As you can tell, he's struggling just even to just get that center strip. Yeah, I'll just let you watch. I apologize for the out of focus, but yeah, I was not on the right settings. I also improved my camera skills. As you can see, he wasn't confident with it yet. He was still slow. It took him forever just to get that center strip. He had to clip it and everything, and then when he did this side, he was way too thin. He was way too thin, so I had to do it again. See, it wasn't even in the middle. See, I taught him how to do it real quick again, just like that, and he tried again. It was a little bit better. He was getting better from there. Like, it took us forever just to even start cutting hair. We had to clip both sides, this and that. The way he was holding was weird. It was like this. His fingers were not used to the motion yet. My camera work was not the best either at that time, so excuse that. Just, yeah, now his sectioning. So, just wet it real quick. As you can tell, he's very confident now compared to last year or like a few months ago from his first consultation with me. This hair is a bit shorter too, so it's harder to control because it sticks out. I told him just to wet it more. So, yeah. Still trying to do that center strip. See, look. Knows exactly how to pick it up now. He's confident.
300? No barber chair. Improvise.
Yeah, one of my YouTube vids got 500.
Very clean guideline. Very clean sectioning.
Yeah, I don't know. Isn't that shit like 2 years younger than me?
Yep.
Just 1 year. Do I go all the way in the back? Like all the way? Like even here?
Also, we got his customer service. And then combing it to the
You have
one
to be,
side.
Like, slightly black in order for me to like it.
Not bad at all.
It's my, so.
So definitely sectioning could still work. He could still work on it. Could still get faster at it because efficiency is not there.
What's your biggest relationship?
But it's good to practice.
This guy.
It's good to practice.
Take breaks?
It's good to practice good sectioning already, even though you're slow at it, just so that you're practicing the right motion, the right way of cutting, other than just butchering it and not even sectioning at all. I recommend if you're a new barber to start doing the right techniques already, even though you're not good at it at first, just so that you can get to the motion of, you know, doing it properly. So yeah, sectioning, definitely improving. I'd say he's 6 out of 10 right now. So let's get to the fading. After he cut the top, he went straight to the cutting. What I would tell him with this is, I call this the fade prep, is when I section off the top. For crops, I would section it off probably with the V. I would take a section from here to here to keep the fringe full, but I would blend in the sides to the fade. So take a section going like this, and then the other side going like that. He didn't do that with his fading, so that's one thing I would do it to him right away, is section with clips before fading. So his fading method, he goes 1.5 right away with the flick, and then 0, and then bald, lever open, lever closed. Pretty basic stuff. I mean, this is probably one of the best methods out there so that you don't get lost. As you know, I do have the lever open method where I do lever open first and then close because I'm super efficient. I do my fades in like 5-10 minutes. If you do want to try getting faster at your fades, you can try my method, but it's not for everyone. It's definitely an advanced technique. Now he's blending in the lever open into the 1.5. He hasn't used the 1 yet, so he's doing my method. It's a good method. Yeah, his fading is good. Like, I can't complain with his method right now. His flick is there. He sees the dark spots. He knows what to do. It's just mainly the shaping part. So fading, there's not much I can say. You're already pretty good at the fading. I know you're pretty good at fading. Now the shaping. There we go. So the fade's done up to about 1.5. Now his shaping definitely needs work. For our next training, Ian, we're gonna do clipper over comb on the mannequin. You're just gonna go hard at the mannequin for the clipper over comb. I feel like you know what you're doing, but you're not quite efficient at it. You don't exactly know how to angle it. So we're gonna work on that. For you guys at home struggling with clipper over comb with the shape, as you can see, the shape right here, it's like nice fade, and then the shape. I would probably go only like this, so I would have to take that off, and yeah, just more consistent shape. Right now he's trying to comb these hairs forward, but if he sectioned earlier before with the fringe to the back, he wouldn't have to comb these hairs forward. They would already be blended, so saving time if you section it properly. So yeah, shaping, definitely needs to work on it. His detailing is good. He knows where the dark spots are. Now the lineup. He's lining up just the sides corners here. And you don't really have to do it like that way. You can go flat using a corner. I'll show you on our next training as well. Okay guys, see all those hairs. This is me now. I was showing him how I would get rid of the weight. I can either freehand, clipper over comb, guard. And in this technique, I'm freehanding with shears. So all these hairs would just come out anyway. So I just took my shears and just cut them freehand just to work on that shape. Okay, so lineup's pretty good. Detailing's pretty good. It's just the shaping that needs a lot of work. He did this side pretty good as well. So I did teach him how to texturize. I was fixing it also a little bit. Now here's another look of his sectioning or his shaping with clipper over comb. It's not quite getting those little bumps. And yeah, I need to work on making both sides even. Okay, now I don't think he knows how to do any texturizing methods yet. He probably just goes hard with thinning shears, but I taught him a little bit of point cutting, how I would just pick it up and then just point cut like that. And this was him trying it out. So still need to work on point cutting. Definitely needs to improve. I taught him the advanced technique where he picks it up with the shears and then pick it up with the comb, and then he's awkward when he's doing the point cut. So definitely need to work on that. Need to work on the motion. There you go, he's getting better at it. He's doing this stuff now. So yeah, point cutting. This is how I do it. See, pick it up, comb, and you can move the comb direction. If you can put this in your arsenal, in your barbering techniques, this will put you on the next level. If you never got your barber to point cut your hair, tell him to do it. You'll see the difference on how you style your hair in the morning, how you dry your hair in the morning. Definitely helps a lot. It separates the good barber from a great barber. And then yeah, his styling could be better as well, and I'm gonna teach him how to record his haircuts. Alright guys, pretty much Ian's pretty good at fading. This is the first episode only. He's already done a lot. He's already improved a lot. But if you want to keep up with Ian's work, I'm gonna put his Instagram down below. You can see that he's giving out nice fades, nice lineups, all this. But yeah, there's a bunch that we can improve in. And yeah, hopefully you guys like that first episode. And I'm also doing these with a bunch of different barbers as well. Let me know if you want me to train you as well. But yeah, see you guys on episode 2 of Barber Reality Training.